First, connect printer with your laptop Bluetooth.
Go to Settings.
Click on Bluetooth and Devices.
Click on View More Devices. Click on Add Device. Click on Bluetooth. Click on printer name and when asked, put password 0000 and click on Connect. Now go to More Bluetooth settings and check outgoing COM port of the printer. In this case, it is COM4 but it can be different in your case.
Double-click on downloaded file. Click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. Click Next. Accept the agreement and click Install. Here USB is already selected.
Select COM and from drop-down select COM4. We selected COM4 as it was our outgoing port. In your case, select your outgoing COM port. If you have a doubt, then you can still go to More Bluetooth settings to check your outgoing COM port. You need to make sure that you select correct COM port.
Click on Install. Printer installation is completed. Now go to Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Printers and Scanners. Here you can see that PosBox 3-inch receipt printer is installed. Click on that. Click on Print Test page to check connectivity of the printer. You can also explore preferences to make changes in the printer setting. In Paper Save, you can add or reduce extra paper after print. Cutter setting can be modified if your printer has auto cutter. You can modify cache drawer setting if you have a cache drawer. In Print option, you can change speed and darkness of the printer. Hope this video was helpful.